Hey guys, Trey here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Raxium Axial Series LED mirror lights with a smoked lens designed for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s. These are a perfect fit for Sierra owners looking to enhance their truck's style and visibility with a modern LED upgrade and that blacked out look. These LED mirror lights boast a sharp smoked lens design that blends seamlessly with the Sierra's factory aesthetic, giving it a bold, custom look. These lights utilize high-powered LEDs that offer brighter and more reliable performance compared to factory halogen lights, making your turn signals and side markers more visible to other drivers out there on the road. The smoked lens not only adds a stylish edge, but also provides protection against UV rays and road debris, ensuring the lights stay clear and functioning for the long haul. These lights are designed as a direct plug-and-play replacement, making them easy to install without requiring any modifications. Constructed from durable ABS plastic housings and polycarbonate lenses, these mirrors are built to withstand daily wear and tear. The smoked finish ensures they won't fade over time, maintaining their aggressive look. Inside, the LEDs are energy efficient and long-lasting, offering a reliable lighting upgrade for years to come. Plus, it can save you some money in the long haul, not having to do as much maintenance and buy replacement bulbs. Now, as far as pricing goes on these units, they're going to come in right around that $80 price range. This makes them a cost-effective upgrade for Sierra owners wanting to improve both aesthetics and upgraded LED lighting in their mirrors. The install is going to be pretty simple for you, earning only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and should take you 30 minutes to get the job done. The lights are a plug-and-play replacement for the factory mirror lights, requiring only basic hand tools. Simply remove the stock units and connect these lights in for a hassle-free upgrade. Now, let's see exactly how these go in with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
So the tools you'll need for this job are simple: a T15 torque bit screwdriver and a small flat tip. Today, I'll be showing you how to install these Raxium LED side mirror lights. First step is to manually push our mirror down. Once your mirror is face down, you can use your small flat tip to get in there and pop open the clamps that keep your mirror in place. Once you do 3 to 4 of these top ones, you can simply push down on your mirror and it should undo the bottom 4. Once that mirror is removed, use your T15 torque bit and remove the screws here and here. With those 2 screws removed, we can now take our flat tip again and get into our clips here, here, and up here. These go in and then push out, so all you need to do is push in. Keep a little pressure on the outside of this barrier here. And there we go, pops right off. With that completed, we can just remove the housing. It's easy to pull out and away from the vehicle. You will have cables on the inside that you must remove. Remember, keep red on top. Once you have the mirror off, to remove the stock mirror light, just use your small flat tip to pry off the side to your right, and then it will come right out. To install your side mirror light, make sure that your 3 points of contact are all in the proper position. To install the housing back on, parts here, here, and here all have holes that they go into. These 2 points right here sneak in behind this mount over here. You want to make sure that your mud light is up and out of the way. First thing we do, connect onto our loops on the outside. Once your housing is back on, we'll go ahead and use our T15 again and connect our 2 screws here and down in here. Finger tight is about all you need for it. To get your mirror back on, try to get your 3 bottom pins in their holes first, and then go for your top 3 by simply pushing back.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Raxium Axial Series LED mirror lights with smoked lenses for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s. And for all things Sierra, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.